Are you ready for an extra long weekend vlog? I have Thursday off and Friday off. Thursday is July 4th, or Friday is July 4th, and Thursday's a floating holiday that we got at my work. Interesting, fascinating. And I just got off work. I just got home about 15 minutes ago. It's officially midnight. Right there. And I have already begun to imbibe. I had a pretty easy, chill day at work, so my day wasn't bad. And I'm gonna drag you along for the rest of our weekend adventure. So we got, I might not film on Sunday, depending on what's going on Sunday, but I will film Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And, yeah, that's the plan right now. See you later. Just look at this beautiful day. Look at that perfect blue sky. I am so grateful that I am in a nice, safe location where I have beautiful crystalline sky and lush trees, and it's not too hot. Well, for me, it's not too hot. It's like 90 something. Some people it's too hot, but the humidity's low. And yeah, grateful because I know that there are other parts of the world in my own country that are not peaceful and quiet and safe. So and here I am, finally, on the hammock. I'm really short, so like in order for me to balance, I can't be up on the pillow because I'm only 4'11". But yeah, we are having our glorious nap time. And there's arguing in the pool over there, but I won't let that disturb my peace over here. Okay, I just got out of yoga. I didn't film myself in yoga because there's like quite a few other people around me. So, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna be lazy about that. But I did do some rounds of the machine equipment, weight machines. I'm tired. I'm so zonked of energy. I'm gonna go home and put on a bathing suit, sunscreen up, and take a nap outside. Because I'm so blue. But yeah, ready to do this. Alright, we are on the move today. There's lots of children. Oh, they woke me up really early because they decided to be loud. But I am on my way to go work out. I'm going to work out with my friend Will. We usually work out for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I have a 30-minute yoga class. And I get to go to the HIIT class, the high interval intensity training class. That's on Thursday afternoons because I don't work today and I normally don't get to go there. And it's okay because all my dudes are gonna go watch Jurassic World this afternoon, and I'm not the Jurassic series kind of girl. The dinosaurs never grabbed my interest. So they're all doing that, and that will give me time to work out. I'm also going to hit up downtown because since I'm going to be able to go there when they're going to be open, and look at the clothing boutiques with mediocre hopes. And yeah, hopefully have a chill Thursday. So we have just all the humans and all of the children's. Hello, it's Friday, July 4th. We're gonna start off today eating tunes. Ella and I are in a deep game of Magic. So, as you might be able to tell, I'm in jammies. It's time to go night-night. It was a long day. I did get in the pool for a little bit. I just jumped in with my jean shorts and everything. But we are apparently having sleepover tomorrow with the children, so I don't know how much filming I'm going to get done tomorrow. I'm going to upload this part from yesterday and today up, and that's what I'm gonna do. So that is the end of Thursday and Friday vlogs. And again, I'm a normal, boring person, so there's not a ton of excitement in my life. And there are gonna be children in my life, and I'm usually the entertainment. So there's gonna be like face masks and makeup makeover things being done, all the girly things that little girls love. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. This is the end. Hope that you are having a good long weekend. Hope you got to have a good long weekend. And even if some things aren't preferred, it'll be okay eventually. I'll see you all tomorrow. I'm so tired.